A happy school day. Ollie is a happy boy. He lives in a small house. He wakes up at 7 o'clock every day. He washes his face and brushes his teeth. He eats breakfast with his family. He drinks milk and eats bread. Ollie goes to school at 8 o'clock. He walks to school with his sister. They talk and laugh on the way. At school, Ollie sits in his class. He listens to his teacher. He likes English very much. His teacher tells a story. Ollie reads a short text. He answers the questions. At break time, Ollie plays with his friends. He runs in the schoolyard. He kicks the ball. His friend Mehmet catches the ball. Ollie sometimes plays hopscotch. He hops on one foot. He smiles and feels happy. After school, Ollie goes home. He does his homework. He studies English for 1 hour. In the evening, he helps his mother. He sets the table. He eats dinner with his family. At night, Ollie watches TV for a short time. He reads a book. He goes to bed at 9 o'clock. Ollie feels happy every day. He loves his school and his family.